Hello guys, so today we are working on our series Animals in Love, and we are working on two cute foxes. I found this picture on Pinterest and I really like to try to make something similar like this. I think this one on Pinterest is made with watercolors, but I don't think I'm so skilled yet, so I will work with my medium, and that is pencils. So here you go. This is my pencils for today, but these pencils don't have a name. I get this when I buy something over eBay, so these pencils came just like this with no any box, so I don't know which are they, but we will try, we will see are they good or not. On this piece of cardboard they are not looking so good, but maybe on this sketchbook they will work. So we are working with yellows, oranges, with greens, a lot of greens, actually 5 of them, and with gray, and I don't have black, so we will use dark brown. And picture is two little foxes in some kind of hug, and some plants are around them. So I want to first to work a little bit on these plants because I want some colors behind them. I want you to be seen that with these plants are on the sun and they are pretty yellowish. So here, and then maybe also like this, and here also. Here I want to add some gray because of the shadows, of course. The music we are listening now is from Lofi, so it is free music, because the last time I put some music and they are said that it is not free, and on their page it said that is free. So I don't want to do this. I don't care. I don't want to have problems because of some music, and I can have beautiful music for free. So if people give music for free, I will take it, because my tutorials are also free. Until I start to want to pay for my tutorials, my music will be also free. So we have something like this on the nose of this fox, and then maybe like this, and we have some white fur, and this white fur I will show like a gray. And then we have also here some shadows, so when we finish our foxes, our shadows will look better. So these pencils, I don't know, they don't have a name, are not really good, so I am struggling with them, but I hope, because this picture is cute, that it will come out pretty nice. So now we are finished with shadows, and maybe we will add some shadows here on our plants also. And last time I had some strange video maybe for you people who watching me for years, and you know that I do not put technical videos on my channel, but I will probably delete this video for a few months because it is not going with my channel. But I want to show people how you can do this, because it is terrible how they force us to get Windows 11. They never explain anything, and I did really try to find how you can add these icons on taskbar, because I always like to keep them, my mostly used icons, on my taskbar, but you couldn't do this, and I was so disappointed because I couldn't find, nobody is explaining well, or maybe this is old videos, I don't know. I look for new videos, but nobody explaining well. So that's why I put this video. And I will probably delete it because it's nothing to do with art. And now I want to put more shadows here around this. Now I want to add some plants here in a distance. Maybe they look like they are in the distance, and that's why are so different colors and so pale. And on some I will add some little leaves, because you need to see that this is plants. You just put some little squirrels around the branches, because when the picture is finished you will see that is plants. So here also some things don't have to be much like detailed, just they are just in the fog, in the distance. So I also want to put here, and maybe on this one. Now I want to work a little bit on my foxes, and I think these eyes are too big, but we will shrink them. So now maybe light orange. So I am sorry because I don't know the name of these pencils, but they are gross. So I want to tell you, don't buy this, but I don't know what is this. They're so gross to use. I don't like them at all. So, but we will finish this. I hope the picture, if will came out pretty cute. This part of the leg is dark, and also this part of this box. So when we are drawing fur on animals, we basically do it like one hair here, one hair there, and that is the fur. Also same when you're drawing hair, so hair on people. So I need more of the dark here, and then again with this orange. And now we will take this stamp and a little bit push the colors in. We are finished with this light orange, and now I want to work again a little bit more on this. So now we will add a bit bigger leaves, a little bit bigger, not so big. So something like this. Then we are taking our stamp again and pushing the colors inside. Now we will put a bit of this color behind our leaves or over from one side, maybe like this. These colors are gross. I think I will throw them away when I finished. Then we will use again this this gray, because I can see these ears are darker here and here. Then we are continuing with our orange. I hope the next picture will be with better colors, because these ones, oh my god, it's already hurting my hand how much I'm pushing and pressing in, and I can see the result. Oh my god, these colors are gross. I can see the child grade colors because they're leaving some kind of, I don't know, little sprinkles here and there. I hope that you enjoying in this music, because I think it's really very relaxing and beautiful, and I like these fluffy sounds. So and now I need more of this gray. And next animals, I will not tell you which one will be, which two will be, but it is Easter already, so it will be something connected with Easter. And now I need more green. And did I use already this green? I don't know. Maybe. Or maybe not. And now one last look. I really like to add more of the black, but I don't have a black. What should I do? See how some kind of sprinkles are here around. I don't know. I hate this. I hate this. So never mind. We will add a little bit of white. Maybe I should add a little bit of more of black. Maybe like this. and I'm afraid to add more. But I need to. Something like this, maybe. And probably that is enough. I don't want to overdo it. And I think this is my drawing, my sketch of these two cute foxes. The pencils are gross, but I like the picture. It is really not bad. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!